Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add right arrow transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you wanted to edit, if you wanna add right arrow transition effect, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click on the MG. This is the MG, click on it, and in here you can click on right arrow, click on it, and after this you can set the duration for the transition effect. Just swipe left or right this icon like this, and after this you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add right arrow transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.